Demonstration on a 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This one is the 3-inch baby shower diaper, and it consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. The top plunger has a little design on it. So we're going to start by taking our outer shell and placing it on top of our bottom plate, and we're just going to start filling. Give it some shakes in between. Make sure all that bath bomb mix gets into the cracks and crevices. And then we're going to take our top plunger and we're going to turn that face down with the design. Stick that right on top of your mold, and we're going to start giving it some presses. And every time we press, we're going to turn it. And we do that to ensure an even packing all the way around. Take your spoon and do some gentle taps all the way around the outside shell. Give some taps on the top plunger. Turn it over, and you can give some light taps around the outer ridge of the bottom plate. Sometimes that's necessary, sometimes not. And then you should be able to lift straight up with your plate. Go straight up. Take your fingers and press them underneath and your thumbs on the top, and we're going to be pushing up with our fingers on this bottom plunger while we're pushing down with our thumbs. Grab your piece of cardboard and stick that on the top and turn the whole thing over. And now we're going to lift straight up with our plunger and go slow so that we can make sure those details come out. And here you have a very cute baby diaper 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this and any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.